So first of all, you can see this is the example of local variable and global variable. Okay, now you can see here is one function that is something, and the range of this function is this one. Okay, now you can see here is inside this function I have written a is equal to 15, and this is your local variable. So according to this method, what is the definition of local variable? Local variable is which we can define inside the function, and global variable is which we can define outside the function. So according to this definition, global variable is this, okay, because it's outside the function and it's inside the function, so that's why it's your local variable. Okay, let's see the output of this program. Okay, now you can see the output is in function 15 and outside 10. Now how this output comes, you can see here is written something will call this function something. Okay, the execution of this program starts from here. Okay, will start from here. You can see something will call this in function. Okay, now what will be the a is 15 will come here. Now next is outside will be printed as it is on the output screen because it's a string, as we already know this. Okay, now a will be 10. Okay, now if I will write this, okay, if I will write here, okay, now what will be the output? You can see the output will be 10 15 10. Okay, see, print outside will be printed as it is on the output screen because it's a string. A is 10. Okay, now this will call this function in function, this will be printed as it is on the output screen. A is 15 will come. Now outside will be printed as it is on the output screen. A outside is 10 will come. Okay, now if I will write here, okay, now see, if I will write global A, now what will be the output? See, now you can see the output is different. Okay, now see, outside A, now first of all outside A is 15. Okay, in function, that is in function A is 15. Okay, now here is the changes, here is the change. Outside 15, outside will be printed as it is on the output screen. A is 15. Why A is 15? Why it's not 10? Because here when this something call this function, here global comes. Oh, that's why the output of this statement is 15. Okay, if I will write this, if I will copy it, okay, and I will paste it here, okay, and I will paste it here. Now see the output. Let's execute it. Now see, 10 10, outside is 10, outside is 10. Something will call this function. Now you can see here is global, in function A is 10 15. Okay, now the all outputs will come according to this global variable. Okay, so this is the way how these programs work. Thank you so much.